a little extra. Do you? Have you ever heard of confetti? Well, today we're making confetti cookies. Confetti cookie sandwich. Today I'm just singing. I can't talk. I'm stuck like this. Step 1. Read the ingredients. Wait a minute. I don't know how to read. Oh wait, there's pictures. Wait, is that 5 pieces of butter? I have no idea. For the first thing, we need 5 tablespoons of butter. That's a lot of butter. And just 1 egg, perfect egg. Just 1 perfect egg. Isn't this just a perfect egg? Just a perfect egg. A perfect egg. It's a baby egg. Have you ever wanted to crack an egg? Well, watch me do it. Try again. Harder. Let's see if I... Now you stick. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I dink it in the shell net. 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 That was excellent. Get it? Excellent. If you don't have a whisker, you can use a whisk. Okay, let me whisk you up. Now time to pour the butter in. You gotta pour the butter in, pour the butter in. Ready? It's time for the final touch. Whiskey, whiskey, whisk. Whiskey, whisk, whisk. I'm making cookies in the bathroom. Why would someone make cookies in the bathroom? That's just weird. Wow, look at the egg. It's turning into... This will take a while. Oh, sorry. It was just taking a while to mix this whole thing. It took forever. We'll be back with a word from our sponsor. When you want something delicious but you have nothing healthy, make a cookie. Make a bookie. When you don't have anything healthy, just make a cookie. Just make a cookie. Just make a cookie. Cookie, cookie. Cookie. Say cookie. Oh. Sorry. I didn't see you there. Welcome back to Eat a Snack Attack. Now for my favorite part, getting your hands messy. Okay, and touching it. Let's make a bigger ball. Feels like slime, kind of. Oops. Baking is not about rush. Baking is kind of art. Isn't it? Oh, right, it's raw egg. I can't eat it. After we make 1 big ball, we're going to separate it to a tiny ball. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Put it on the pan. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Oh, right, we don't have a pan yet. Now we're going to make 6 balls. 5 for me and 1 for you. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then is the leftover dough. We're gonna wrap it up and put it in the refrigerator. Yes, wrapping the cookie up. Need to make room for this side. We'll save this baby for later. Now time to put them in the oven. Now time to put them in the oven. What am I doing these 10 minutes? He loves me. He loves me not. He loves me. He loves me not. 10 minutes is a long wait to wait for cookies. They're ready! Always have a pan with you when you're doing the oven. Mine's behind the camera. First, I need my oven glove on. I think I'll pour a nice glass of almond milk while I'm waiting. It's an almond milk volcano. Now it's time to decorate. Before anything, we have to add the frosting because that makes everything stick together. First, let me just have a little taste. It's nice and warm. This is wholesome brand pink frosting. To make a cookie sandwich, you need 2 cookies and frosting in the middle. Oh yeah, and sprinkles too. First, you put frosting on the first cookie. Only one of the cookies because you're gonna smash it together. That's a lot of frosting. Step is sprinkle the sprinkles on. Okay, ready? I don't like it. I love it. So good. See, it's a confetti cookie sandwich with a bite on it. You know what's even better than one confetti cookie? 2 confetti cookies with frosting in the middle. Confetti cookie sandwich. Thanks for joining Edie TV. Snack time. Okay.